Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Asher Talks. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. तो गाइज आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बहुत ही अच्छी गुड न्यूज सुनाने वाला हूँ। जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है इन्फोसिस ने जो है ऑफर लेटर सेंड करना स्टार्ट कर दिए। तो मैं आपको प्रूफ के साथ सभी चीजें दिखाने वाला हूँ। साथ साथ आपके जो डाउट्स थे वो भी डाउट्स मैं आपको आज की इस वीडियो में क्लियर करने वाला हूँ। पूरी आपको प्रोसेस बताने वाला हूँ कि किस तरह से आपको ऑफर लेटर मिलता है। बहुत लोगों को दोस्तों इंटरव्यू जो है वो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, तो इंटरव्यू के बाद से पूरी प्रोसेस जो है मैं आपको आज की इस वीडियो में बताने वाला हूँ। तो वीडियो को एंड तक के जरूर देखें, आपको सभी चीजें पता चलनी चाहिए। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको कौन से डाउट्स क्लियर करने वाला हूँ। सबसे पहला पॉइंट आपको देखने मिल जाता है, हु विल गेट ऑफर लेटर एंड व्हाट आर द चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग ऑफर लेटर। सो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस एंड द सेकंड पॉइंट इज which role getting offer letter. So Infosys is sending offer letter for which role, for OE role or SE role. So we will discuss about this in the further video, so please watch it till the end. Before starting the video, you can see the please join our telegram channel. You will get every update, and there is our Infosys discussion group also. You can join that also. Okay, this will be so much helpful for you. There are various candidates who have participated in Infosys recruitment process are in this group. Okay, so you can discuss with them also and you can clear your doubts. Okay, there. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to my YouTube channel. Now let's get back to the topic. So we will discuss about this your doubts. Okay, so first of all, the thing is I am going to tell you the process. Okay, so first of all, as you all know, first of all you will get interview mail. Okay, as you clear the assessment you will get interview. Okay, so you will your interview will be scheduled. You will complete your interview, and after completing your interview you will get interview result. If you have cleared the interview, you will definitely get the interview result, and in that interview result you will get survey mail. Okay, so I have explained in further video. You can check out the survey mail update, link in bio and description also. Okay, you can check that out. So Infosys will send survey mail. So if you fill your survey mail, it will require a basic details. Okay, so if you fill your basic details like if you have a laptop or not, your address, if you have experience, and questions like this. Okay, so if you fill that survey mail once, you will get to know if you are next process, if you get offer letter or not. Okay, so I will show you with proof. Here you can see on the screen, you will get to see this mail. Okay, offer of employment, virtual onboarding and training. Okay, so you will get to see mail like this, offer of employment. Okay, here you can see all the details that you are selected. Here you can see, kindly note that this is conditional offer of employment and everything regarding this. I have already talked in previous video about this. Okay, now you can see this is the final offer letter you will get. Okay, here you can see here is the date, June 4. Here is the basic information that I have hidden. Okay, in Infosys, where I have put Infosys logo here because there are basic details, personal details that I can't share with you. Okay, so here you can see, congratulations, we are delighted to make you an as system engineer trainee and your role is system engineer. Okay, so this is the for this offer letter is for system engineer. I will show you for operation executive also, so please keep watching. Here are the terms and conditions. So basic terms and condition and given, and you can see your scheduled date of employment with us will be June 14. Okay, so here you can see on the screen, June 14 will be first training date. Okay, so from 14 June your training will be start. Here you can see location. Your location of training is Mysore, India. So location of training was Mysore, India. The location of posting, work location, would be communicated to you upon successful completion of training. Okay, so after completion of training you will get to know your work location. Okay, but as you all know, due to COVID times the training is located to work from home. Okay, so you have to do everything online. You don't have to go anywhere. Okay, you may be asked to relocate to any of our units, departments, or the office of our affiliates and our office of our customer depending on business requirement. Okay, so they can relocate you anywhere in India, so you must be ready for it. In such an event, your remuneration and your other benefits shall be determined in accordance with the relevant policy and the company in that work location. Okay, so basic details here are given. Okay, so here you can see training. The training program will consist of classroom, virtual training and on job training. Okay, so here you can see you will be given virtual training due to COVID. Okay, the duration of the classroom virtual training will be based on business requirement. Basically the duration of the training is 4 to 4.5 months. Okay, you continued employment with the company subject to your meeting and qualifying criteria till the end of training and successful completion of the video. Okay, so this is the offer letter you will get. if you completed the whole process and if you have got selected. Okay, so here you can see on the screen I have made a recent video regarding Infosys salary. Okay, if you have selected as a system engineer, what will be your in-hand salary during training and after training? I have described in detail, so please watch this video. I will provide the link in description and I button also. Okay, so this is now next is operation executive offer letter. So here you can see, congratulations, we are delighted to make you an offer letter as an operation executive training. As you all know, your training is started, so you will get a trainee role behind. Okay, your job role. Okay, so after training, after the completion of training, the trainee role will be cut down. Okay, so here you can see offer letter same as the previous one, but the role is different. Okay, so here you can see your scheduled date of employment is 17 June. So these are the two offer letter I have shown you. One is for operation executive and second is for system engineer. Okay, I hope I have shown you with proof. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. I have been making efforts for you to make video, okay, and give you every updates. Okay, so please like this video and comment your thoughts below. Okay, now the next thing is, you can see on the screen, you will get to see a mail. Okay, you will get a mail where you have to fill details. Okay, so here you can see on the screen, you will get to see a mail like this, offer of employment. You have to fill all your details here. Okay, so if you fill all the details, you can see applied and review in progress. If you have fill your details, you will get to see review in progress. So the details you have filled are review in progress. Okay, so that will be your details that you added. HR will review you, all the details you have filled is right or wrong. If you fill the Infosys recruitment process or not, okay, if you are eligible or not, like 60% is mandatory, the gap is necessary, and all the details that were eligibility criteria, they will check if they are right or not, if you fit in that eligibility criteria or not. After reviewing all this, you will get to see an offer letter. Okay, so I hope everything you understood. So let's get back to our topic, where I have your doubts, like who will get offer letter and chances of getting offer letter. Okay, so as I have given you proof that SE role and OE role, both the role will get offer letter. Okay, then what are the chances of getting offer letter? If you have completed your interview, there are 99% chances that you will get offer letter if you fill the eligibility criteria. Okay, this is, you need to know that if you fit in the eligibility criteria, definitely you will get the offer letter. Okay, if you clear all the round, like first assessment round, then interview round, then if you cleared the interview, you fill the survey mail and all the details. Okay, if you fill all these details, definitely you will get to see offer letter. Okay, so many of the candidates are facing problem, like they are not getting offer letter. So we will talk about that in next video. Okay, so please keep watching. Okay, so that will be helpful for you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.